In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Excel not opening my file. We will walk through a simple reset that often gets Excel working again with stubborn files. First, make sure Excel is fully closed. That means no workbooks open and no hidden windows left running. If you can still see any Excel window on your screen, click the X in the top right corner until every Excel window is gone. On some computers, Excel might stay running in the background even when no window is visible, so give it a moment and check that the Excel icon no longer shows as active on your taskbar. Once Excel is closed, wait a few seconds before you move on. This short pause lets Excel release any temporary locks it might have placed on your file. It also lets any background processes finish shutting down cleanly. If Excel crashed or froze earlier, this step clears out that stuck session. A common beginner mistake is to reopen Excel too quickly, which can sometimes bring the same problem back. Now open Excel again just like you normally would. Use your usual shortcut, your Start menu, or the Excel icon on your desktop. When Excel starts correctly, you should see the standard Excel Start screen. That screen usually shows recent files on the left and templates on the right, with a blank workbook option. If you land straight in a blank workbook instead, that is fine as well. Either way, this fresh start means Excel has reloaded its settings and add-ins into a clean session. At this point, Excel is open and ready, so you can try opening your file. There are two simple ways to do this. If your file appears in the recent list on the Start screen, click the file name there. You should then see Excel switch to your worksheet view with your data and tabs visible across the bottom. If the file is not in the recent list, go to the Open option in Excel. Browse to the folder where you saved the file, then select the file and choose Open. Once it works, your workbook should appear and you can scroll around to confirm everything looks normal. If the file now opens, that means the earlier Excel session was likely stuck, and simply restarting Excel cleared the issue. From now on, if a file refuses to open but Excel itself seems fine, you can repeat this same quick close and reopen process as a first check before trying anything more advanced. So in this short video, you fully closed Excel, reopened it cleanly, and successfully opened a file that Excel would not load before. If that helped you get your workbook back, please give this video a quick thumbs up so others with the same Excel issue can find it, and consider subscribing for more straightforward Excel fixes.